How to prepare elderberry flower tea at home. Elderberry flower tea is a delicious and fragrant herbal tea. It is made by steeping the flowers of the elderberry plant in hot water, creating a light and refreshing beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. In this video, we will take a closer look at how to prepare elderberry flower tea at home and the benefits of drinking this tasty beverage. What is elderberry flower tea? Elderberry flower tea is a type of herbal tea made from the flowers of the elderberry plant, Sambucus nigra. The elderberry plant is native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, and has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. The plant's flowers are harvested in the spring and early summer and are used to make tea and other herbal remedies. Elderberry flower tea has a light and delicate flavor that is slightly sweet and fragrant. It is a refreshing beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold and is often sweetened with honey or other natural sweeteners. The tea is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals and is believed to have various health benefits. How to prepare elderberry flower tea at home. Preparing elderberry flower tea at home is easy and requires only a few simple steps. Here's what you'll need. Dried elderberry flowers. 2 teaspoons per cup of water. Water. A teapot or other heat-resistant container. A strainer. Honey or other natural sweeteners. Step 1. Boil the water. Begin by boiling water in a kettle or on the stove. You'll need about 1 cup of water for everyone. 2 teaspoons of dried elderberry flowers. Step 2. Add the elderberry flowers. Once the water has boiled, remove it from the heat and add the dried elderberry flowers to the pot. Use 2 teaspoons of flowers for every cup of water. Step 3. Steep the flowers. Cover the pot and let the elderberry flowers steep in hot water for 5–10 minutes. The longer the tea steeps, the stronger the flavor will be. Step 4. Strain the tea. After the flowers have steeped, use a strainer to remove the flowers from the tea. Pour the tea into a cup or teapot. Step 5. Add sweeten. If desired, add honey or other natural sweeteners to the tea to taste. Elderberry flower tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and makes a delicious and refreshing beverage. Here are some tips for preparing elderberry flower tea at home. Use fresh, high-quality elderflowers. When preparing elderberry flower tea, using fresh, high-quality elderflowers is important. Ensure the elderflower you choose is fresh and free from pests or dirt. The flowers should also be in full bloom and have a vibrant white color. Wash and dry the elderflowers thoroughly. Before using the elderflowers, wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. You can do this by placing the flowers in a colander and rinsing them under cold water. Gently shake the colander to remove any excess water. Once you have washed the flowers, dry them to remove any excess moisture. Use fresh water. When making elderberry flower tea, it is important to use fresh water. Do not use tap water sitting in a kettle or a pot for long, as it may contain impurities or contaminants. Instead, use fresh cold water from the tap or a bottled water. Don't overheat the water. When making elderberry flower tea, make sure not to overheat the water. Elderflowers are delicate and can lose flavor and aroma if boiled too long. Instead, bring the water to a boil and then reduce the heat to a simmer before adding the elderflowers. Store the dried elderflower in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve its flavor and health benefits. Health benefits of elderberry flower tea. Here are some of the health benefits associated with drinking elderberry flower tea. Rich in nutrients. Elderberry flower tea is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and calcium. Supports respiratory health. Elderberry flower tea is commonly used to support respiratory health, as it helps to relieve symptoms associated with colds, flu, and allergies. Promotes skin health. Elderberry flower tea contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help promote healthy skin by reducing inflammation and protecting against damage caused by free radicals. May help with weight loss. Elderberry flower tea may help with weight loss by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. Boosts immunity. Elderflower tea is packed with antioxidants that can help boost your immune system. Elderberry flower tea is safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, if you experience any negative side effects after consuming elderberry flower tea, consult a healthcare professional and stop drinking it.